Hi kids. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's learn colors name. Green, red, dark green, sky blue, brown, black, pink, orange, violet, blue, pink and yellow color. Kids, we will trace A. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A with violet color. A. B. Kids, now we are tracing capital letter B. B. This is letter B. Kids, now we will trace letter C. C. C with green color. Letter C. D. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D. Letter D. This is letter E. Kids, we are tracing letter E. E. This is letter E. Now kids, we will trace letter F. F. This is letter F. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for duck. E for elephant. F for fish. Thanks for watching. Kids, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.